Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I introduce you to the Ford Mustang GTD again, this time from the Factory Fresh Series number 3 of 5 from 2026, a brand new vehicle. That's why it's called Factory Fresh. And here we have it again in a beautiful blue color with such golden rims. Again, a very cool model, I have to say. We already had the Ford Mustang GTD in 2025. There was the one in the Hot Wheels Mustang series, because Mustang, I think, was celebrating its 50th or 60th anniversary. I'm not sure, I think 50 years that was now, 50 years Mustang. And now here again, this year also a new model, a new color, here in front with this. Black hood, black and blue, that looks very cool, black roof with this red stripe. I like it very much. And what I think is really cool is that the license plate is printed with a Mustang logo. That's really, really cool. That fits very well. I really like it when Hot Wheels prints the license plates. And as I said, here we have this iconic front of the vehicle again. And yes, it looks really excellent. The golden rims, I think, also fit relatively okay to the car. Here in the back with the rear spoiler, it all looks very good. Hot Wheels has done a very good job again, it has to be said. Up here, that's probably going to be that little blue dot. I don't know if that's supposed to represent the antenna. That's probably. I'll give you some more data about the vehicle. He has a 5.2 liters V8 engine with an incredible 800 horsepower. However, the vehicle was built in a limited number and costs around €360,000. I had just had the Bugatti before and it costs just under €5 million. This Ford Mustang GTD is a real bargain compared to that. But of course it also has a lot less horsepower and of course less power. Exactly, but otherwise a very cool vehicle, in my opinion, is definitely something to be proud of. Definitely belongs in every good Hot Wheels collection, I would say. And that's about it. I had already presented the car. And that's it for now. Until next time.
Bye!